A strong password is the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your business's data. Randomly generated passwords tend to be very strong, as they're long and full of random characters. However, that's why sometimes staff don't like them, or worse, they keep an unprotected digital copy of their passwords, which defeats the point of having them. We've now got a password checker on our website. Why not get your team to test their passwords and see how strong they are? The answer to most password problems is to use a password manager. These store, manage, and generate passwords for the sites and services your people use. All the passwords are safely stored in an encrypted vault. The only password you then need is the one to access the password manager. We can get your business set up with a great password manager. Just give us a call.